Field surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction and urban planning. These professionals are responsible for gathering accurate data and information about a particular area or site. In Noida, a rapidly developing city in India, field surveyors are in high demand due to the extensive construction projects taking place. These professionals are hired by companies like SCON Design, a well-known architectural and engineering firm based in Delhi, to provide critical data and insights for their projects. Noida, located in the National Capital Region, has witnessed rapid urbanization and infrastructure development in recent years. This has created a need for field surveyors who can accurately assess the land and provide essential information to architects and engineers. Companies like SCON Design understand the importance of reliable data and rely on field surveyors in Noida to gather information about the topography, boundaries, and existing structures of a site. Field surveyors in Noida are equipped with specialized tools and equipment to carry out their tasks effectively. They use advanced technologies such as DGP devices, laser scanners, and drones to collect accurate measurements and create detailed maps. These tools not only enhance the efficiency of the surveying process, but also ensure that the data collected is precise and reliable. The role of field surveyors extends beyond just collecting data. They are also responsible for conducting research on land records and obtaining relevant permits and clearances for construction projects. This requires them to have a thorough understanding of local regulations and procedures. Field surveyors in Noida work closely with government agencies, architects, engineers, and other stakeholders to ensure that all legal requirements are met before commencing any construction work. In the city of Noida, which is known for its rapid urbanization and development, the demand for skilled and experienced field surveyors is high. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys of land, buildings, and other physical structures to collect data on their dimensions, boundaries, and topography. By using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, field surveyors in Noida ensure that the information they gather is reliable and can be used for planning, designing, and executing construction projects effectively. SCON Design is one of the leading firms in Delhi that provides comprehensive surveying services, including field surveying, to clients across various sectors. With their team of highly trained and experienced surveyors, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering accurate and reliable survey data. Their field surveyors in Noida are well versed in using advanced surveying equipment such as total stations, DGP receivers, and laser scanners to capture precise measurements and generate detailed survey reports. When it comes to field surveying in Noida, SCON Design understands the unique challenges that come with working in a fast-growing city like Noida. The firm's field surveyors are well versed in navigating through complex